Hi, students. Happy Wednesday it is now. In this video, I'm going to give you instructions for today. Today is really just you finalizing and then turning in your Finsta projects. Okay, so I will go over what that's going to look like as well as what tomorrow, Thursday, will look like. Okay, so first of all, for today, you want to make sure that all three of your posts for your social media project have been done. Okay. So the first was a post about your character, what they did over the weekend. The second was a birthday post to another person in their life or character in their life. And the last was an event. Okay. If you want to do more than that, you're more than welcome. You also want to look and make sure that your profile page, and this example is just Instagram. If you used another type of social media, that's fine. It's similar. You want to make sure that your profile page is looking good. Okay, so this is all good. The pictures are formatted nicely. Um, you can either go, if you want to go and get rid of these boxes, you can. I suggest that you actually just go and find other photos that you think might be potential posts. You don't actually have to make a post for them. I just think it would look nice. I've gotten a lot of questions about how to link a picture here to the actual post itself, like you would do if you clicked on this basketball hoop picture on Instagram, it would open up the post. So it's kind of a cool way to enhance your project. I know a lot of you have already done it. So I did this earlier actually, but I can still show you how to do it. So you are going to select the picture that you want to link to another slide. Then you are going to right click so this menu comes up. Um, oh, I'm sorry. This doesn't work by right clicking. My bad. You're not you're not going to right click. It's different on Chromebooks. So on a Chromebook, you're going to click on the picture and then type Control K. When that comes up, there will be a place here. It'll look like that because you haven't done it. When you hit Control K, it'll be here so you could put a link to a website, but instead of that, you're going to hit down here, link to slides in this presentation, and then you're going to go and select the actual slide. So we want this picture to bring us straight to slide 3. So we put that. And then when we go into present mode, we can click right on the picture, or we can click on the picture, slide 3, and it brings us right to the post. So it's kind of a cool feature. Okay. After you've looked at formatting, making sure you have enough pictures and images, I'm going to put in 3 more images here, and I suggest you do. Then go and take a look at the 7th grade no excuse writing checklist. This is the same one we've been using all year, and I want you to go through and carefully read your posts. I know this is a social media account, so it's a little bit different. However, there is a certain level of finalized writing that you do need to have done. So for example, the grammar in this post here and the punctuation are all good. However, my character here, Filthy, did say skills with a Z, right? That's okay. Or any kind of slang, things like that. Saying wanna, WANNA, instead of want to, because that might be how you'd actually post on social media. That's fine, but do make sure that for the most part you're following the checklist. Okay. Finally, if you did not sign up on the Finsta presentation sign up sheet yesterday, I will link this to this assignment as well. You don't have to sign up for a live presentation. However, in my opinion, it's less work because all you're going to do is log on during your presentation session, and they're only a half an hour. So you're going to log on and you will go in this order. And you basically just all you do is click present your screen and you go through the slideshow and talk through it. Okay. Um, there are 4 time slots. You can sign up for any. Nobody signed up for session 4. If you do not want to live present, please put your name on in the orange box at the bottom for a Flipgrid presentation. This is nice because if you don't like presenting to people, you're not live presenting, you can record and start over if you need to. But I do think it's a little more work because you do have to fit your presentation into a minute and a half. There's like some editing things you have to pre-prepare. I think personally that if you don't, that presenting live is just, a little more fun too because you get to see other people. As you can see, a lot of you signed up for Flipgrid, which is fine. Okay. I have gotten a lot of questions about making your Flipgrid presentation. That is going to be done tomorrow on Thursday. So today, your end task is just to turn in your Finsta project. Okay. Um, Tomorrow's instructional video will be how to present your project on Flipgrid. Okay, you will not have to watch that instructional video, obviously, if you sign up to do a live presentation. You'll just have to come to the live presentation. So stay tuned for that and don't worry about doing that part just yet. If you have questions, please come see me during office hours. Especially if they are questions contingent upon, if you don't get an answer the same day, you won't be able to turn it in. So I have had quite a few of you email me even during my time slot when I'm in office hours. It's way easier just to come in. I get so many emails each day that I struggle to even keep up with them. And so I try to get back to you usually I can get back to you this same day at the end of the day or the next day. But sometimes you want your question answered that day, so office hours really are the best option. That's all I'm going to say. Happy Wednesday, and I look forward to seeing your presentations tomorrow.